2, 3, funky.
Hey guys, it's Mia, and today I'm going to show you my morning routine, my everyday morning routine. And sometimes it's different depending on if I'm at school or if I'm traveling or if I'm on break or the weekends. So this is just a general morning routine, and yeah, let's just get on started. So I start off by cleaning up around my bed and making my bed. I was a little lazy with the pillow right there and just started putting the sheets over it. After making my bed, I then clean off my vanity of any makeup or junk laying around. I put all my clean clothes on my chair so I know they need to be put away in the appropriate spots. For my pajamas and smaller clothing items, I have storage bins that fit perfectly underneath my bed so I can save a little more space in my room and closet. After I'm done cleaning my room, I go to my bathroom and brush my teeth. I usually brush my teeth for about 2 minutes and floss when I'm done to keep my gums nice and healthy.
Next, I grab a washcloth and wet it with warm water. Wetting your face with warm water will open up your pores and help your acne become more clear. For my face wash, I use the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. Lastly, I use moisturizer. Using moisturizer is another key to having clearer skin. I use the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizer Lotion, and at night I wash my face with the same facial cleanser and use the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizer Lotion.
I am filming the next day. I didn't get the chance to film my makeup part of my routine that day, and if you do want to see how I do my makeup, my everyday makeup look, I'm more than happy to make a video about it. Just comment below if that's what you think I should do, that's what you want to see. That does conclude my morning routine. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when I post another video. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.
2, 3, funky.